Start with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and grateful. Dear students of class 6, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome you in Pakistan International School Taif's virtual learning system. Dear students, from this picture, what you are getting, what kind of image is going to create in your mind that here we have two students, they are studying, they are reading book, and one student or one girl is flying a kite. Means with education, we need sports as well. Sports plays sports play a vital role for a student's uh, for a student's mind because not only body but it makes your mind strong as well. So, dear students, today we have English lecture number 21 for class 6, and today we have lesson number 15, and that is a very interesting topic for all of you, and that is how to make and fly a kite. How to make and fly a kite. Now, dear students, how many students are they really know how to make and how to fly a kite? How many students are there? They are really master to fly a kite and to make a kite. So today, dear students, this is lesson number 15 from Guided English Introductory Book, page number 80, 81, 82, and 83. And here's your teacher, Sarfaz Nadeem. So dear students, let's start our lesson. Before to start, we have few pics for you. Here in this picture, dear students, you can see that one person is making a kite, and in second picture, dear students, are few boys, children are flying a kite. So that's why today our topic is how to make and fly a kite. Here is making of a kite and here is flying of a kite. So both we will learn today how to make and fly a kite. So let's start our lesson. Lesson number 15, how to make and fly a kite. The simplest kind of kite is shaped like a diamond. This is how it is made. Two sticks made of bamboo or other light wood are fastened together in the form of a cross. One stick is longer than the other. A piece of thin string is used to join the ends of the sticks so as to form a frame. A piece of thin, strong paper, silk, or other light cloth is cut in the shape of the kite, but a little bigger. This is placed on the framework. The edges are folded over the string and gummed. Now, dear students, this paragraph is telling us how to make a kite. Simplest kind of kite is shaped like a diamond. There are different shaped kites, but the simplest kind is the diamond one. And how to made it? Two sticks made of bamboo or other light wood or fastened together in the form of cross like this. Next page, next paragraph. Next, a piece of string is cut a little longer than the longer of the two sticks. The ends of this piece of string are fastened near the ends of the longer stick. That is called the bridle. The cord held by the person flying the kite is fastened to the bridle. We will call this cord the flying cord. A kite now needs a tail. A piece of string is fastened to the bottom end of the long stick. Strips of paper are tied to the string a few inches apart. If the kite does not fly well, the tail may be made shorter or longer. Dear students, a second part, another simple kind of kite is the box kite. You can see in the picture as well the box kite. This is saying another kind That is a simple one as well. It is made of the same materials, light sticks, paper, or cloth. It is made in the shape of a hollow box. The middle and the ends are open. There is a bridle but no tail. Now, dear students, after this paragraph, we have another paragraph, and that paragraph will tell us how to fly a kite. This is how to fly the kite. Choose a windy day and, if possible, a high place. Unwind a few yards of the flying cord and run into the wind. Kite will then rise into the air. Stand with your back to the wind. When the wind tugs at the kite, unwind more cord. When the wind falls and the kite drops, pull in the cord. Kite flying is a popular sport in Pakistan. The cord is rubbed in glass, ground as dust, and the kite flyer tries to catch his cord against someone else. The pressure of the wind behind one of the cords causes the opponent's cord to snap. After days sport, kite flyers proudly show each other the cuts on their fingers caused by the ground glass. So, dear students, this is the lesson which the lesson told us how to make and fly a kite. And the many students who are really know this skill, how to make and fly kite, this lesson is very helpful for them. And those who are really not well aware about to fly or to make a kite, this lesson will help them a lot to make a kite and how to fly a kite. So after this lesson reading, dear students, we have a part comprehension and vocabulary. Now we have exercise A, draw these shapes. We have a diamond. How to draw a diamond shape, a rectangle, a circle, and oval. This is very easy for you people, dear students. So do at home practice and make these shapes at home. Now, dear students, we have exercise B, finish these sentences. Now, what we have to do, we have to finish the sentence with the words. Few words are left out, so we have to fill these words over here. So we are going to do this. So number one is the simplest kind of kite, dash. So we will write is shaped, is shaped like a diamond. This is how it is made. This is how it is made of the ends of the sticks, a piece of paper or cloth, dash cut. Yes, sorry. This is how it is made to the ends of the stick. This is how it is made. Two sticks dash together. Yes, are fastened. Fastened. Yes, two sticks are fastened together. A piece of string is tied. Is tied to the ends of the sticks. A piece of paper or cloth is cut. Yes, is cut in the shape of the kite, but a little bigger. It is dash on the framework. It is placed, placed on the framework. The edges dash are folded, are folded. Edges are folded over the string, then they dash are gum. They are gum. So, dear students, exercise B is done. The words were left out and we completed. We put these words over here. So now we have exercise C, dear students. Let's start the exercise C. So write sentences in answer to these questions. The passage will give you a great deal of help. Now, dear students, this passage will help you a lot to complete the sentence. Let's start to complete this one. How long is the bridle? How long is the bridle? So what will be the answer? Yes, the bridle is little longer than the longer of the two sticks that are in the center of the kite. Center of the kite. So, dear students, these are the just like question answers. So you have to careful when I'm going to complete this. This will help you a lot here. So this is the lesson actually. So now this is answer. The bridle is a little longer than the longer of the two sticks that are in the center of the kite. So this is, dear students, the first question you can see over here. And then we have second, where are the ends of the bridle fastened? We say the ends of the bridle are fastened near the ends of the longer stick. Dear students, if you will listen and if you read the carefully, you will do this exercise. It will be easy for you to complete. Yes, it is easy for you people when you will read carefully lesson. Where are the ends of the bridle fastened? The ends of the bridle are fastened near the ends of the longer stick. Number three, what is the flying cord? What is the flying cord? You said the flying cord is the cord, okay, held by the person flying the kite. Flying the kite. What is the flying cord? Flying cord is the cord held by the person flying the kite. So this is the number three. Number four, what do we do if the kite does not fly well? What we will do if the kite is not flying well? So what we have to do? Question number four, the answer is if the kite does not fly well, if the kite does not fly well, yes, make the tail. Make the tail shorter or longer. Shorter or longer. This is the uh, way. If the kite is not flying well, you have to make the fly tail of the kite short or long. Number five, how is a box kite like a diamond shaped like? Number six, both the kites are made, both the kites are made, yes, both the kites are made of the same materials, of the same materials. For example, yes, light, light sticks, okay, and you can say paper or cloth, both use string for a bridle and a flying cord. So dear students, number five is done here, and number six is what two things do we need when flying a kite? When flying a kite, the day should be windy and the kite should be flown from a high place. So I'm going to write here, what two things do we need when flying a kite? He is saying when, yes, flying, flying a kite. Yes, the day should be windy, means there must be a wind, air, windy, and the kite should be flown from a high place. Means you have to reach over there first on high place, and then you start to fly the kite. So dear students, 6 we have done, 7 and 8 you can do at home, and it will help you. These questions, what are the questions? What happens when we run into the wind with the kite, and how do we keep the kite flying? So dear students, this exercise B and also C, we completed, dear students, and the page of this lesson, as I told you, this is lesson number 15, and this is page number 81. So let's go to another page, 81, and remaining portion is oral exercise. Have a look. Dear student, you can see this is page number 81. After these exercise, we have a table 1. In table 1, dear students, we have to read that the men are known, the people are liked, they were admired, the two girls were admired. Means in 3 boxes are there, 1, 2, 3. In 1 there is a subject, in 2 there is a verb, helping verb. Here is are and were and is and was. Now, as I told you, is, am, are the helping verbs of the present tense, and was and were are the helping verbs of the past tense. But you can say both. The third main verb is used, past participle, third form of verb. The main are known, or you can say the main were known. So both, one is are known in present tense, past tense. Is also for singular, and the boy is and was is also for singular, and are and were both are the plural. The boy is blamed, she is respected, the young man was disliked. So here, dear students, we have the past tense, helping verbs in present tense, and for singular and plural. In table 2, we have 5 boxes. The main were helped by many people. This is kind of active and passive. So these are the passive sentences. The men were helped by many people. The boys will be questioned by the police, and they have been seen by my father. She was not met by soldiers. So table 1 and table 2 we have read. Now then students, we have the page number 82 and the written exercise given. So here in this written exercise, dear students, what we have to do, we have to complete these. Total 30 sentences are there. So I will try to few, I will complete, and rest of you have to do. Complete these sentences by adding past participles like the words in column 3 of the tables. The verbs from which they are founded are given in brackets. Now, dear students, what we have to do, we have to put the third form of verb in these sentences. Like third form or past participle. Examples are given. See, number 1, she has been given a new pair of shoes. Now, actual verb is give. So we have to put the third form of this given. First form is give, second is gave, and third is given. R number 2, the branch was broken by the wind. Now, break is first form, broke is second form, and broken is third form. So same like this we have to put. Number 3 is when we arrive, all the food will be dash. Now eat is here. What we will do here, dear students? Eaten. Here will be given in exercise A, dear students. It will be given eaten. So we will write here eaten. Food will be eaten. Number, I'm going to write with the red color. Might be it will be visible for you. We are dash by our alarm clock. Now awaken is third form. So here will be awakened. Yes, awakened. And number 5, the match is always dash by the referee. Begin is the verb. Third form would be begun. Begun. Number 6, such a thing has never been dash to happen before. No is first form. What is the third form of the no? It is known. You have to remember the past participle form of the verbs, dear students. Number 7, when the last song has been dashed, we shall go home. Sing is over here. So what will be here, the third form? Sung. Very easy. Number 8, when the war ended, all the bells were dashed. Ring is the first form. Rung will be the third form. Rung. Number 9, this coat has been dashed before. Wear is the first form. So what is the third form of wear? Wore. And number 10, as soon as the letter is dashed, she will post it. Write is the first form. So third form of write is written. And number 11, we have heard the some jewels have been dashed, steal. So stolen. Stolen is the third form. Dear students, 11 sentences are done. 2 were already done and 9 sentences I have done. I will do another one for you as a 10. The treasure chest was dashed with 6 large locks. Fasten is the, yes, so fastened. Fastened, and then this is fastened. So 10 sentences we have done. This whole is homework, dear students. Do at home. Yes, from which sentence, dear students? From sentence number 12 till to the 30, you have to complete it. This is a homework, dear students. So you have to complete it and then send it to me. Okay, dear students. And now we are going to move to another page, and that is page number 83. Yes, dearest, on page number 83, dear students, we have a question. Change these sentences so that they are like the ones in table 1 and table 2, but do not use by. So here, dear students, we have the exercise B. In exercise B, dear students, we are not supposed to use by conjunction. And look over there in the first sentence, it is done over here. First sentence done for us. So this is kind of example. Someone washed us. Now we were washed. Us change into we. Were is already given because this is past simple tense. So second form is already given. We will add were and washed. Same. Someone will remove. Only we were washed. Number 2, someone has told the police. Someone has told the police. Now what will be here, dear students? The police, yes, the police have been told. Now someone will be removed. The police have been told. Number 3, no one has done it before. No one has done it before. We'll say it has not been done before. It has not been done before. Number 3, done. Now number 4, they blamed him for the accident. They blamed him for the accident. This is number 4, dear students. He was blamed for the accident. Yes, he was blamed for the accident. Number 5, no one gave her any help. No one gave her any help. You will say she was, yes, not given any help. She was not given any help. Number 6, no one has seen him since that day. No one seen him. No one has seen him since that day. He has, he has not been, yes, he has not been seen since that day. That day. So, dear students, like this, you have to change these sentences. Yes. Then we have number 7. They have done something about it. They have done something about it. Very easy. Something, yes, something has been done, yes, about it. So, dear students, their exercise so long, like 14 sentences are given. And I will do maximum sentence I will do here, but few will given to you exercise because these kinds of exercise will help you a lot to do at home. You must have book, and many students are sending me the homework, but that is not correct. Try to watch the lecture carefully, try to listen me very carefully, okay, and then do your exercise which are giving you homework. Many students are sending me same exercise which I am doing here, which I am completing here, same they are writing and sending me. No need to send me same. For example, if there are 14 sentences, if I'm going to complete 8 sentences, remaining you have to send. Yes, so number 8 is someone picked up. Yes, someone picked it up from the road. So what will be the dear students answer of this? Yes, it was picked up from the road. Yes. So like this, dear students, try to do like this at home. It was picked up from the road. Number 8. Number 9, they asked her a lot of questions. She was asked a lot of questions. Good. So, dear students, I think this is very easy and you understood this. So, you have to put a third form. Some might be this is a passive. So, now how many sentences are left? 5 sentences. Number 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Number 5 sentences you have to complete, dear students, and then send it to me. Yes. From 9 to, I'm going to write here as well for your understanding. From 9 to 14. So, dear students, from 9 to 14 sentences you have to complete, and from 2 to sentence number 9 I have completed over here. So, let's go to another page. Now, here, dear students, we have a useful words and phrases. Question takes with is and are. It's hot today, isn't it? It isn't hot today, is it? You are going, aren't you? You aren't going, are you? I'm right, aren't I? And I'm not writing, am I? Now, dear students, this is kind of the questions. And this is one is in question and second one is in interrogative. Yes. So like this, you have to ask like if first in first sentence, it is saying or telling that it's hot today, isn't it? So you will say yes, it is, or only you will say it is. If say it isn't hot today, is it? So like this, you have to complete the exercise, change these sentence into questions by adding question takes. Now what we have to do, we have to add question. Number 1 is done. It's raining hard, isn't it? And number second, it isn't fair. Is it? Like this, we will complete, dear students. Number 2, it isn't fair. We will say, is it? Yes, is it? Question mark. But is it? Question mark. Number 3, he's a friend of yours. Isn't he? This will be. Yes, isn't he? Isn't he? Yes, question. And number 4, she isn't late. Is she? Is she? Question mark. Number 5, you are a new pupil. Aren't you? Aren't you? Question mark. Number 6, you aren't going to play. Are you? This will be. Are you? Number 7, they are in the cupboard. They are in the cupboard. Aren't they? Aren't they? Yes, dear students. Number 8, they aren't very big. Are they? Very easy, dear students. And number 9, I'm not hurting you. Am I? Am I? Okay. And then last, this is the end. Isn't it? Isn't it? Question. So useful words and phrases are done here. Total 10 sentences were given and we have completed the 10 sentence, dear students. And the lesson number 13, lesson number 15 is completed and written exercise is given you as a homework, dear students. and you have to complete it. And you have to homework. You have to be very careful. Let's start the what is on coming page. Yes, dear students, we have a novel Around the World in 80 Days and chapter number 3, India exercise, page number 86. Dear students, today we will solve the exercise of the chapter number 3. In the last lecture, if you remember that we read the chapter number three's first topic, and I told you that you have to read the remaining pages and hope that you have completed the reading. So if you have completed the reading, then let's start to solve the exercise of chapter number 3, and the topic of chapter number 3 is India. Have a look over here, dear students. We have exercise, and what exercise we have? The fill in the gaps with the words from the box. Now here the words are given: agreed, Indian, railway, transport, determined, morning, refused, unexpectedly, elephant, nowhere, and searched in village. So we have to put these words in these blanks which are given over here. Number one, 8 8 o'clock in the dash. So what will be here? In the morning? Yes, 8 o'clock in the morning, the train to Calcutta stopped. Number stopped, then unexpectedly. So when we write here, yes, unexpectedly. Unexpectedly in the middle of dash. In the middle of, dear students, what will be here if you have completed the, so here, dear students, now here, yes, dear students, number 4, the dash, what will be here in number 4, dear students? The railway was. So railway race. The railway was not finished. They had to find another kind of dash, the another kind of transport. Yes, the other kind of transport. Mr. Fogg and Sir Francis Dash. Yes, searched, searched. They searched the Dash. Number 7 will be a village. What they search? Village without finding anything. Yes, dear students. So number passport out, found, and Dash. Number 8. Number 8 is elephant. Elephant belonging to and Dash. Yes, and what will be here? An Indian man. Yes. Indian man. Fog was dash. Fog was determined. Yes. Determined to have him at first the main dash. Number 11, dear students. What will be number 11? Refused. Refused to sell, but at last he agreed. So, dear students, this is the exercise of novel chapter number 3. So we have completed. We put the words in the brackets. Uh, so now, dear students, you can see over here the exercise done. Now here, dear students, the homework is given to you. As I told you earlier that the homework is very important. You have to complete the exercise. Dear students, exercises are long and 20 to 30 sentences are given in the exercises. So half are done by us and half you have to do at home. Try to complete your exercise. Time is not an issue. Second one, comprehension, vocabulary, exercise B, right answers 5 to 8, page number 81. and exercise, a written exercise from 16 to 30, page number 82. So this is the homework, dear students. Kindly complete it. Yes. And then I'll be here to check your homework, dear students. And then we have, let's see what is coming lecture. Next lecture is about lesson number 16 and the story of writing. The story of writing. This is our coming lecture, dear students, and this is all about today's lecture. And thank you for joining me, and take care and enjoy your days, and see you in next lecture. Till then, dear students, Allah Hafiz.